Okay. Yeah. To start our materials today, I wanna review the last materials. I believe that yeah, all of you are still remembering about the material before. You know that we discussed about announcement. Yeah. Okay. Salsa. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Choose one of the four cities here that really that really want want to visit. Which one?
Bali.
Bali. Okay. Yeah. Let me check the questions behind the Bali. Okay. What are the structures of announcement?
Starting purpose,
Okay.
content, and sender.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, you still remember about the structure of announcement. Very good. And then next questions. I want to choose Herlinda. Herlinda, which city do you really want to visit? Banyuwangi, Surabaya, or Jogja?
Jogja, sir.
Jogja. Okay, let me check the questions behind the Jogja. Mention the language features of announcement.
Okay. Past tense.
And then serious, past tense, present.
Present.
Yeah. And then
And future.
okay, yeah, future or simple present tense. That's pretty good. Okay. Okay, next. Arifin. Arifin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arifin. There are two cities left, Surabaya and Banyuwangi. Which one do you want to choose? Which one do you want to visit?
Banyuwangi.
Banyuwangi. Okay, let me check the questions. What is announcement in Bahasa?
Pengumuman bukan, Pak?
Okay, good, cool. Ya, masih ingat ya? You still remember about the announcement. Okay, that's very good. Last city. Who wants to choose Surabaya? Any one of you? No one? Who want to? Okay, yeah. Khidir. Khidir? Khidir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khidir. Let me check the questions behind Surabaya. Where do you usually find this text? This announcement text? Where do you usually find this text? This is a very simple question. Khidir.
At the airport, in the school,
Oh,
and the public
place.
apa ya?
Place.
Boleh di jalanan, Pak.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you, Khidir. Thank you. Okay, that's very good. Yeah, I believe that yeah, this class is very smart students. You are all of you are the smart students because you're still remembering about the material before that was about announcement. Announcement is pengumuman in bahasa, and then last meeting you know that yeah you have made a short announcement, and then all of you are having a good announcement. Okay, next slide. Okay, which city or place have you ever visited? Which city or place have you ever visited? Herlinda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which city or place?
Okay. Bandung.
Bandung. Okay. Abinaya, which city?
Kota Tua, sir.
Kota Tua. Okay. And then Anis.
Jogja.
Jogja. Okay. Yeah. When you want to tell about some place or some city that you had ever visited before, yeah, and then you want to try to make a text, make a short text, yeah, to tell about your experience in Jogja or in Bandung, yeah, the text is called recount. Okay, the text is called recount. Jadi kalau kalian ingin pergi, kalau kalian pergi ke Jogja, kemudian kalian mencoba untuk menceritakan ulang, ya, pengalaman kalian pergi ke Jogja, ke Bandung, ke Mountain atau ke Kota Tua, ya, teks tersebut namanya adalah teks apa namanya?
Recount.
Teks recount. Ya, that's very good. Gitu ya. Nah, itu adalah teks recount. Okay, so today we are going to talk about recount text. The next questions, is it useful for us in a real life? What do you think? Is it useful for us in a real life? Apakah ini bermanfaat sih buat kehidupan nyata? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Recount text is very important to our real life because when you want to tell or retell about your experience, for example, when you went in a certain city, for example, Australia, or Jogja or Bandung, yeah, and then you want to try to retell your experience to your friends or others, yeah, recount text is very useful to use, gitu ya. Jadi recount text sangat berguna ya. Jadi kalau kamu pergi ke suatu tempat, kemudian kalian mencoba menceritakan kembali, nah itu namanya recount text. Oke. Ya. Okay, what are we going to be discussed for today? What are we going to discuss today? What text?
Recount text.
Ya, Bapak akan ulangi pertanyaan ya. What are we going to discuss today?
Recount
text.
Okay, recount text. Next slide. Okay, as usual, I'm going to tell about kompetensi dasar. Here I'm going to use bahasa because it will be easier to understand. Kompetensi dasar, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks recount lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait peristiwa atau pengalaman sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Nah, itu yang pertama. Yang kedua, kompetensi dasarnya adalah menyusun teks recount lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana terkait peristiwa atau pengalaman dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. Dari kompetensi dasar ini kemudian Bapak memformulasikan atau membuat indikator pencapaian. Namanya indikator pencapaian kompetensi gitu ya. Nah, indikator ini kaitannya dengan kegiatan yang akan kita lakukan dalam satu kali pertemuan. Yang pertama nanti berarti kamu harus bisa mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks recount sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Kemudian membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari beberapa teks recount sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Kemudian yang ketiga, membaca nyaring. Nah, membaca nyaring. This is a challenge. Ya, this is a challenge like we did before. Ya. Later I will ask you to read a short recount text. Yeah, all of you. I'm going to call you randomly. Yeah, I will call you randomly. So prepare yourself to read the text. Nah, nanti di sini ada nih membaca nyaringnya gitu ya. Kemudian yang keempat, yang terakhir adalah menemukan berbagai informasi terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Kalau ini yang 1, 2, 3 itu adalah fokusnya kepada reading. Kalau yang ini adalah read aloud, jadi kemampuan kalian membaca dengan keras berarti adalah apa namanya, pronunciation kamu harus bagus gitu ya. Oke. Oke, that's about kompetensi dasar and indikator pencapaian kompetensi. Next slide. Okay, what are we going to discuss today? It's about definition. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the definition of recount text. And then the second one, you must know the generic structure also, because this is very important. Yeah, and then the last one is language features. Remember that you must understand about the three kinds of recount. Yeah, the first one you must know the definition, the second one the generic structure, and then the third one is language features. Oke, gitu ya. Jadi harus tahu nih tiga ini. Jadi kalau apa namanya, belajar teks recount, apapun teksnya itu harus tahu definisinya, kemudian generic structure-nya, kemudian harus tahu juga language features-nya. Gitu. Okay, and then next slide. Next slide, wait a second. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Do you still access me? Do you still access me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Here I have a short text. It's about our trip to Blue Mountain. You can also see this text in your book, your English book on page 113. Yeah. Okay. As I said before, that in recount text, okay, yeah, as I said before, okay, yeah, I have a short text here. This is a recount text. It's about our trip to Blue Mountain. You can see this text in your English book for SMK, page 113. Okay, I give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes is enough, I guess, to read this text first in your heart. Nah, jadi silakan dibaca dulu dalam hati dulu ya. Silakan dibaca, kira-kira nanti isinya apa. Kemudian, after reading this text, ya, I ask you or I force you to write some questions related to this text. Oke, ya. Jadi apa namanya? Baca dulu nih selama 3 menit. Kemudian tanya kira-kira apa sih yang terkait dengan teks ini gitu. Nanti silakan tanyakan terkait dengan teks itu. Oke, 3 minutes has run. Okay, time is up. Okay, yeah. Do you have any questions related to this text? Yeah, do you have any questions? Just raise questions, don't be shy. You know that, yeah, in English class, the class must be active, and then the students who are active will get the point. Okay, yeah. You know that that rule, you know that those rule is very important for you to rise your final scores. Oke, ingat ya, rules-nya kan selalu kalau yang aktif nanti dapat poin tambahan. Okay, do you have any questions related to this text? Halo, ada pertanyaan nggak terkait dengan teks ini? You may raise the question in Bahasa first, and then we are going to translate into English. Silahkan. Okay, I ask Abi. Do you have any questions related to this text, Abi?
No, sir. I don't have any questions.
You don't have any questions. Okay, that's good. Okay, Faura, do you have any questions related to this text?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, no, yeah. Okay, if you have no any questions, it means that this text is short and easy for you to understand. And then this is the challenge time. Okay, I am going to call you randomly. First, Herlinda. Okay, Herlinda, please read this recount text louder so I can hear your voice clearly. I'm going to take a score from your pronunciation. Okay. After Herlinda, Salsabila, please prepare yourself. Salsabila ya, habis ini kamu ya. Oke, Herlinda, please read it.
Okay. Our trip to the Blue Mountain. On Friday, we went to the Blue Mountain. We stayed at David and Della house. It has a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and a tennis court. On Saturday, we saw the Three Sisters and went on the scenic railway. It was scary. Then, Mommy and I went shopping with Della. We went to some antique shop and tried on some old hats. On Sunday, we went on the scenic skyway and it rocked. We saw cockatoos having a shower. In the afternoon, we went home.
Okay. Okay, Herlinda, thank you. Give applause to Herlinda. Wow, good, cool. Yeah, there is some typos here. I guess not it, tapi in the afternoon. Okay, Herlinda, yeah, you have a good basic pronunciation, Herlinda. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
From others, do you have any corrections to Herlinda's pronunciation? No. Okay, yeah, there is a little correction, I guess. Ya, not antiku, just say antik ya. Jadi antik saja, bukan antikue gitu ya, tapi antik saja. Kemudian ada lagi nggak tadi? Nah, kalau ketemu ed begini bacanya jangan rocket gitu ya, tapi rock. Jadi ada ceh di akhirnya. Kalau nggak bisa, nggak usah diucapin nggak apa-apa, mending begitu. Kemudian stay juga stayed, ada d-nya di akhir gitu ya. Nah, kemudian ini so cockatoos ya. Nah, kemudian having a shower, oke. Nah, ini yang sangat penting nih. Jadi sering salah yang lain, nanti habis ini bacanya jangan salah ya. In the afternoon, bukan in the afternoon. Oke. Saya. Oke, next. Salsabila, please read the announcement text. But after Salsabila, I'm going to ask Abinaya to read the text also. Abinaya, are you ready? After Salsabila?
Yes, sir.
Oke, silakan Salsabila. Please, Salsabila, read it.
Our trip to the Blue Mountain. On Friday, we went to the Blue Mountain. We stayed at David and Della's house. It has a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and a tennis court. On Saturday, we saw the Three Sisters and went on the scenic railway. It was scary. Then, Mommy and I went shopping with Della. We went to some antique shops and tried on some old hats. On Sunday, we went on the scenic skyway, and it rocked. We saw cockatoos having a shower. In the afternoon, we went home.
Okay, give applause to Salsabila. Good. Good, Salsabila. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. You have a good pronunciation also, Salsabila. That's very good. Salsa. Okay, yeah. There is a typos here, not tried, tapi tried. I'm sorry, tried. Ya. Ya, kata kerja kedua dari kata try ya. Okay. For others, maybe you have any little corrections, pronunciation correction from Salsabilas. Come on. No, okay, ya. Salsabila, okay. Tadi I heard you said, ya. Nah ini, perhatikan. how to pronounce
Tree.
ya 3 dalam bahasa Inggris ya. This is a little bit difficult karena ya pohon 3 kan hampir sama, tapi how to pronounce it is having a differences between 3 dan pohon. Kalau 3 ini bukan tree tapi three ya. You must say three. Jadi it's like tha in bahasa Arab. Kalau tree pohon nanti ya. Tapi kalau 3 itu three. TH itu biasa diucapin dalam bahasa Inggris itu tha. Jadi three, then, think. Three, then, think. Jadi hampir sama kayak tha gitu. Oke. That's good, Salsabila. And then, yep. Okay, that's enough. Okay, good. Abi, are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, Abi, please. Okay, before, wait a second. After Abi, I'm going to ask Faura. Faura, are you ready? After Abi?
Ready, sir.
Okay. Abi, come on.
Oh, okay. Our trip to the Blue Mountain. On Friday, we went to the Blue Mountain. We stayed at David and Della's house. It has a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and a tennis court. On Saturday, we saw the Three Sisters and went on the Scenic Railway. It was scary. Then, Mommy and I went shopping with Della. We went to some antique shops and tried on some old hat. Okay. On Sunday, we went on the Scenic Skyway and it rocked. We saw cockatoos having a shower in the afternoon. We went home. Oh,
Nice, Abhinaya.
so
Yeah.
smart.
Okay, you have a very good pronunciation. Okay, all of you, I guess, have a good pronunciation. Okay, to increase your pronunciation skill, your speaking skill, you must often listen the native speakers saying, ya, from listening music or watching some movies. Okay, itu cara terbaik ya biar pengucapan kamu tuh lebih mahir bahasa Inggrisnya. Okay, that's very good, Abhinaya. Maybe from others, do you have any corrections to Abhinaya's pronunciation? Is it enough ya? Okay, good. Nah, ini buat semuanya juga nih. Bahasa Inggris itu, ya, if you find s in the end of the word, like Della's, ya, Della's house mean rumahnya si Della. S ini sebagai s kepemilikan. S kepemilikan ya. Jadi harus dibaca S-nya. Delas. Jadi nggak usah ragu-ragu, memang begini. Delas. Nah, yang sering salah tuh misalnya begini. 100.000 rupiah, bukan rupiah. Gitu ya. Jadi pengucapan rupiah itu kalau satu ya rupiah. Tapi kalau ada lebih dari satu ya pasti rupiah dia. Gitu, sama kayak dolar juga sama. Memang ngucapinnya agak ragu, tapi bahasa Inggris itu ya seperti itu. Oke, Abhinaya, thank you. Next, Faura, are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, itu yang di tengah-tengah David sama Della dan apa N?
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Faura. Yeah, there is a typos here. Okay, and yeah. Silakan. Thank you, Faura.
Yes, sir. On Friday, we went to the Blue Mountain. We stayed at David and Della's house. It has a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and a tennis court. On Saturday, we saw the Three Sisters and went on the Scenic Railway. It was scary. Then Mommy and I went shopping with Della. We went to some antique shop and tried on some old hat. On Sunday, we went on the Scenic Skyway and it rocked. We saw cockatoos
Ketus having a shower. In the afternoon, we went home.
Okay, good, Faura. Okay, yeah, you were good. Your pronunciation is also good, Faura. Thank you, Faura. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any corrections from others? Faura's pronunciation. Do you have any corrections?
Yes, sir.
No. Ada salsa? Nggak ada ya? Oke.
Mm.
Faura, you have a good enough pronunciation, Faura? Good enough? Okay. Excellent.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, okay, excellent. I suggest you to make yourself very familiar with English, yeah. Especially in listening, because when you want to be master in English, you must listen first, I guess. This is a very important way to improve your English skill. That's very good. Okay, terima kasih. Then next slide, I guess it's enough for this challenge. All of you have a good pronunciation, have a good reading skill. And then as the suggestion, just always improve your English skill, especially in speaking. Okay, good. Next slide. Okay, so wait a second. Okay. Can you access the PowerPoint?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here I'm going to give the material today. It's about recount text. As we have told before that there are 3 parts of recount text that you must understand: definition, language features, and generic structure. Okay, definition. Recount text is a text which retells events or experience in the past. The purpose is either to tell or to retell the readers about events in the past. Oke, jadi recount itu adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali ya, events or experience. Events itu kejadian atau pengalaman in the past, di masa lampau. Oke, the purpose is either to retell or to retell. Jadi tujuannya itu bisa retell atau tell gitu ya. Jadi sama aja. Ya, menceritakan kepada readers, pembaca, tentang kejadian di masa lampau. Yeah, that's about the definition of recount text. I believe this is a very simple to understand. Okay, and then the second one, you must know the generic structure of recount text. There are only 3 generic structure. First, we call orientation. Orientation consists of participant, place, and time. And then the second one, events. There is as here, as there, events, not event, but there is a letter S there. It means that events can be more than one. Event 1, event 2, event 3, and etc. Okay. In the event, describing series of events that happen in the past. Okay, and then the last one, reorientation. Reorientation stating personal comment. Optional, it means that you may put reorientation in your own recount text or not. Okay, jadi generic structure-nya itu ada 3 ya. Orientation isinya partisipan. Partisipan itu pelakunya, place atau tempat atau waktunya. Event itu kejadian, ada S-nya itu berarti lebih dari 1. Ada event 1, event 2, event 3. Misalnya kamu pergi ke Bali nih. Hari pertama ngapain? 1 paragraf tuh. Hari kedua pergi kemana? 2 paragraf. Nah itu ada 2 event di sana. Oke, reorientation itu setting personal comment. Jadi pendapat kamu. Optional tuh boleh ada, boleh enggak. Oke, jadi reorientation is only optional. It means that when you try to make a short recount text and then you just put orientation and events, it's enough. Without putting the reorientation in your recount text. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And then the last one, language features. Yeah, you know that in every text, there is also language features. Last meeting we talked about announcement. There were also language features, and then today we talk about recontext. There is also the language features of recontext. Ya, jadi bukan hanya di recount saja. Jadi di semua teks itu ada language features-nya, ciri-ciri kebahasaan. Oke. There are 3 language features in recontext. Yeah, the first one is personal participant. Can be I, me, we, us, etc. Okay, yeah. And then the second one, chronological connection. It can be then, first, next, etc. Okay, and then this is the core, I guess. Yeah, in recontext, you must use simple past tense. Okay, you must use or you must put in your own recount simple past tense. Okay, the key word of simple past tense is only 2. The first one is verb 2, and then the second one using to be, was, and were. Okay, it means that in recontext, when you find verb 2, it means that the event happened in the past. When you find was, were in the recontext, it means that it happened in the past. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the example was, were, walked, stayed, went, saw, etc. Okay, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ya. Jadi apa namanya bahasa Indonesia nih ya? Personal letter itu personal letter. Personal participant itu yang ada orang pertama. Bahasa Inggris ada orang pertama, ada orang kedua, ada orang ketiga. Orang pertama itu ada sayanya. Ada saya itu berarti kami, ya, termasuk kan kami, we. We kan ada saya di sana. My, our kan milik kami gitu. Paham ya? Paham ya?
Pak.
Yes, sir.
Ya. Oke. You must write in your own English book about these materials because this is a very important to be understood. Okay, and then next slide. Okay, yeah. Let's practice. Let's find the generic structure of this text. Yeah. Okay, let's find the generic structure of this text. Can you see the text in your handphone?
Pak,
Yes, sir.
boleh di zoom lagi nggak, Pak?
Okay, yeah. I'm going to make it bigger, Dea, yeah. Okay, Dea. Wait a second. Is it enough for you, Dea?
Sudah, Pak, sudah kelihatan.
Okay, yeah. Prepare yourself. I'm going to ask you orally, and then you must answer me orally. Yeah. Let's find the generic structure. Okay, you know that there are 3 generic structure in nouns in recontext. Ada 3 ya. Okay. On Friday we went to the Blue Mountain. Okay, wait a second. There is a typo here. And ya, I'm sorry. Tunggu sebentar, Pak, akan benerin dulu. Mana tadi? David and ya. Yeah. And then nah, lots, not lost. Terus second, some old hats, I guess. Some ya, karena banyak jadi harus itu. Okay. On Sunday we went on scenic. Okay, what? Duh. Oh, yeah. Mana lagi yang salah tadi ya? Try ya, try.
Itu, Pak, head.
Head, ya, heads karena some. Some old hats. Jadi kalau jamak harus ada S-nya. Terus mana lagi yang salah tadi ya? Wonderful trip. Cukup itu. Cukup ya? Oke.
Cukup, Pak.
Okay, Dea, is it enough for you? Can you see the text clearly, Dea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Let's find the generic structure. There are 4 paragraphs there. Ada 4 paragraf. Paragraf 1, paragraf 2, dan paragraf ke-3 dan ke-4. Okay, prepare yourself. Are you ready to guess what generic structure in each paragraph? Okay, I ask Kinan. Kinan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Kinan, on Friday we went to Blue Mountain. What do we call it?
Orientation.
Orientation. Let me check the correct answer. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Paragraf pertama itu orientation ya. First paragraph is orientation in generic structure. Good. And then the second paragraph, I ask Bagas. Bagas, are you there?
Ya, Pak.
Yes. Okay. Second paragraph, what we call it?
Events 1.
Event 1. Okay, let me. Okay, yeah, good. Good. Event 1. And then the third part, Dea. What do we call? What can we call the paragraph 3? Dea, are you there? Dea.
Event 2 mungkin, Pak.
Event 2. Okay, let me check it, Dea. Your answer is correct or not? Okay, that's very good. Event 2. Yeah. As you have understood before, that event can be more than one. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. Okay. And then the last one, I ask Adit. Adit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adit. The last part, what can be?
Reorientation.
It can be okay. Reorientation. Let me check the answer. Reorientation. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, sudah paham ya? It means that all of you understand about the generic structure of recount text, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next slide. Okay. Let's find the language features. Let's find the language features. You know that there are 3 language features. First one, personal participants. The second one, chronological connections. And then the third one, past tense. Okay, are you ready to add your additional point? You know that when you are active, you will get the point from me. Okay, first, we are going to search the personal participant in this text. Kita akan mencari personal participant di teks ini. Oke. Who will be the first? Who will be the first person try to search the personal participant in this text? Ayo, siapa yang mau coba? Pertama langsung sebutin. Mention your name first.
Salsa.
Salsa. Okay, which one Salsa? Personal participant?
We.
We. Correct. I'm going to make it red. We, and then? And then?
My, sir.
Okay, my. Abi ya. My. Which one? My. Huh? My.
No, there's no.
My. Mana? Paragraf pertama nggak ada.
Paragraf pertama ya.
Paragraf pertama it's enough we ya. Okay, we move to paragraph 2. Which one?
Saya ada lihat kayaknya.
Yeah.
We and I.
We. Okay, I'm going to make it red. And I. Which one? I.
Mommy and I went.
Okay, that's correct. Mommy and I. Okay, and then we. Okay, is that enough? Cukup ya? Okay, very good. Ada lagi nggak?
Ada Pak di paragraf ketiga.
Okay, and then we move to third paragraph. Which one is personal participants? We.
We.
Okay, and then we again.
Again.
Okay, and then
We, Pak, ada 3. There is 3.
there are 3 we here. Okay, that's very good. And then the last paragraph, no, ada ya. Okay, good. Okay, you have understood about the personal participant. And then next, the chronological connections. Okay, do you find the chronological connections here? In paragraph 1, no. Tidak ada ya. Okay, paragraph 2. Which one?
Then.
Then, correct. I'm going to make it yellow. Okay, that's very good. Hey, yellow. Okay, yellow. Okay, yeah. Yellow, and then what next? Is it enough? Okay, is it enough? I guess ya. Cukup ya. Okay, good. Salsabila. And then the last one, past tense. Okay.
When.
When.
When. Good. And then next.
Stay.
Okay.
Hmm?
How.
Stayed. Okay. Then.
So, sir.
Huh? Pardon me?
So.
Oh, okay. Which so. Okay, yeah, correct. So is verb 2 from C. That's good. And then.
When.
Okay, and then.
Was.
Was. Okay, perfect. Was. Went again. Went again. Okay, when. Okay, yeah. Tried.
Tried.
Okay. And then rocked. Okay. There is ed here. It means that this is the verb 2. Went. And then.
Saw.
So which one? Show. Okay, good. And then.
When again.
When.
Okay, and then last paragraph, no word ya. Oke, di paragraf terakhir tidak ada ya. Oke, good. Oke, can you understand about the language features of recount text? Is it simple for you? Gampang kan ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next slide. Now prepare yourself about to do the learning activity. Prepare yourself to do learning activity. Okay. I have sent the learning activity in Google Classroom. Yeah, in your class in Google Classroom. I have told you before that you must download it first. Yeah, download it first. All of you must download the learning activity in Google Classroom. Have you downloaded the learning activity in Google Classroom? Sudah mendownload belum?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ya. Okay. All of you have a learning activity ya. Semuanya sudah punya LKPD ya. Sudah mendownload ya. Oke. Okay? Oke okay, ya. Now I'm going to give you the explanation about how to do learning activity 1 and learning activity 2. Okay. Before we make breakout rooms, before we divide you into 3 groups, yeah. Okay. In learning activity 1, please all of you listen to me carefully. Yeah. In learning activity 1, after this activities, you must do the learning activity 1. Okay. In learning activity 1. Your work is to find the generic structure and language features from this text. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Yeah, you must you must find the orientation, event 1, event 2 and reorientation from this text. Okay, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Your work is only move paragraph 1, 2, 3, or 4 into this part. Okay, do you understand? Yeah, okay, good. And then the language features, as we did before, there are 3 language features in recount: personal participant, and then connections, and then the last one is past tense. Okay, you must find the personal participants here, at least 5. Ya, I, we, me, they, my, our, oke gitu ya. And then connections, chronological connections. Ya, you must find the chronological connection maybe in paragraph 1, 2, 3, or 4, and then write down here in this place. And then the last one, past tense. You must find the past tense from the text. Yeah, it can be was, were, and it can be verb too. Find at least 5 the keys of past tense. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Okay, it's easy to understand, yeah. That's about the learning activity 1, and then we move to learning activity 2. Yeah, I have still the same text from learning activity 1, but in learning activity 2, you must know the answer of the questions 1 to 5. It's about the text. This is a very simple, I guess, because there are only 5 questions. Okay. Who are the participants and where did they go? And then you discuss with your group, because after this I'm going to make a group in breakout rooms, and then answer the questions in learning activity in LKPD. Okay. Questions 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Do you understand about the learning activity 2?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And then next, I'm going to make a group. I have a very interesting way to make a group. Okay. Yeah, there are name of countries there. There are 15 name of countries there. Okay. Which one do you want to choose? Randomly. Mention the cities that you really want to visit. Okay. Start from Herlinda maybe.
Okay. Korea.
Korea. Okay, your key. Okay, Herlinda, you are group 1. Silakan siapa aja, sebutin.
Sandrina, sir.
Sandrina?
USA.
Sandrina USA. Sandrina, your group 1. Okay, next.
Salsa,
Elsa?
UK.
UK. Okay, UK. Your group 2. Next.
Abi,
Abi?
India.
India. Acha. Okay, yeah. Your group 1.
Siapa?
Huh? Pardon me?
Anissa.
Anissa. Which country? Pardon me, ulang lagi. China. Am I correct? China. Okay. Yeah, your voice weak, I guess. Sekali. Okay, Anissa, your group 2. And then?
Dea.
Yeah.
Singapura.
Singapore. Okay. Okay, your group 1, Dea. Next.
Bagas, Japan.
Bagas, Japan. Okay, your group 3, Bagas. Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Russia, sir.
Russia. Okay, yes, Russia. You're group 1. Yes, next.
Kidir,
Rafka,
sir.
Rafka. Okay, Rafka.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Yeah. Our neighbor. Okay.
Kidir, sir.
Hmm?
Kidir,
Kidir.
Thailand.
Thailand. Oke. Ya, Lung, Kapun Kap gitu ya.
Saudi Cup.
Sorry Kap gitu. Oke, your group 3. Remember your group. And then huh?
Arifin.
Arifin, which one?
Palestine.
Palestine. Okay, ya. Your group 2. Palestine. Arifin, your group 2. Next.
Kinan, Pak.
Aura.
Kinan. Which country?
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. Ya, Dubai. Your group 3, Kinan. Next.
Aura.
Do you want to visit?
North Korea.
North Korea. Okay. Yeah, do you want to meet Kim Jong Un? Okay, yeah. Okay, next.
Adit, Pak.
Adit,
Australia.
Australia. Okay, the last one. Adit, your group 3. The last one.
Sabrina, Pak.
Sabrina, Afghanistan. You want to go Afghanistan? Okay, Sabrina, you are group 3. Okay, remember your group. Tapi grupnya masih sama yang kemarin ya. Grupnya masih sama yang kemarin. Ini mah dosen nggak bakal ngeliat. Yang lihat cuma, oh ya gini doang gitu. Ya, grupnya masih sama kemarin.
Oke.
Okay, ya. Okay, it's time to make a breakout rooms. Wait a second, I'm going to make a breakout rooms. Okay, hang on please. There are 3 rooms, room 1, 2, and 3. Okay, before. Okay, can you see the breakout rooms?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, move to breakout rooms. We are going to discuss the learning activity 1 and 2 in breakout rooms. Okay, is it group 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. B. Okay, group 1. Is it group 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. You have shared the screen. Okay, very good. Start from the task 1. Start from task 1. Okay, yeah. Okay. Do you have any questions about how to do the task 1? You must harus dibiasakan membaca dulu ya. Instruction, study the following, read context, then find the structure and language features of the text. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Do you understand about how to do the task 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Please discuss with your partner in this group. Silakan diskusikan.
Generic struktur dulu.
Gimana itu kayak yang 41
Introduction-nya itu paragraf pertama ya?
sama iya.
Iya.
Copy aja ya.
Iya, iya.
Ya.
Iya,
Oke, di copy aja nggak apa-apa.
kan dicepetin nanti. Nggak ada kelihatan suaranya.
Iya, suaranya nggak ada. Penuh sandiwara. Ya, memang beginilah hidup.
Dosa nggak, Pak?
Apa?
Dosa nggak, Pak?
Dosa nggak, Pak? Enggak lah.
And National Museum.
Aduh, kopi nggak ada kopi apa?
Karena sebenarnya semua yang dilakuin tuh juga begini. Dosen pun juga tahu kalau begini. Ya akhirnya begitulah. Semakin kesini semakin dunianya tipu-tipu gitu. Tapi maksudnya sebenarnya bukan ininya tapi prosesnya itu. Kalau Bapak bukan guru pun ngelakuin hal ini susah sekali pasti. Bukan profesionalitas gitu.
Dan juga nggak ada yang bantuin.
Ya.
Reorientation paragraf terakhir.
Ini Bapak akan tutup dulu ya. Nanti Bapak akan pindah ke grup lain. Okay, very good. Group 1. Good. Okay, yeah. Discuss with your I'm sorry. Continue your discussion with your partner. I'm going to move to group 2. I want to see their work. Okay, good, nice job for group 1. Continue.
Oke,
Oke,
Chef.
Pak.
Okay, yeah. Is it group 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to see your work. Please move up. I want to see the upper of the, okay, activity 1, activity 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, next. Very good. Okay. Okay, that. Continue your discussion. Past tense. You still, okay, in paragraph 1. Actually in, okay, stop. I want to see this part in past tense. Stop. Okay, very good. In past tense, you just write the word only. For example, spent, went. Yeah. For example, in paragraph 1, spent, went. In paragraph 2, went, and then was. For example, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ya. Lanjutin diskusinya. Please continue your discussion with your partner. I'm going to control you from here. Silakan
Yes,
dilanjutkan.
sir.
Ya, sambil dilanjutkan, silakan. Salsa, lead the discussion, Salsa.
Yang paragraf 2 apa, guys?
Yang paragraf 2 nomor 1 jawabannya benar. Lalu sebenarnya jawabannya the participant are the writer and his.
Oke, ini apa? Nggak usah banyak-banyak tuh. Yang di, maaf, yang di mana? Ke bawah lagi, ke bawah lagi.
Pas.
Wah, oke. Nah, di past tense itu kamu tulis paragraf 1.2 gitu.
Oke.
Ya. Nah, oke, good. Paragraf 1.2. Nah, nggak apa-apa sambil bahas, harusnya sambil ngobrol nggak apa-apa ya, karena nanti Bapak akan cepetin ini. Kalau dicepetin kan bahasanya nggak keluar tuh, jadi seolah-olah kita lagi diskusi walaupun kita lagi ngobrol gitu. Nah, kayak gitu aja, koma, oke, bagus. Ada kata when lagi, ada kata apa di sana? Nah, gitu. Sambil ngobrol aja nggak apa-apa.
Paragraf 2 apa, guys? When
They are at in 7 and
Bau.
Ya, oke.
terus
Was lagi.
udah kan?
Oh ya udah.
Oke, paragraf 3 cukup. Itu beberapa aja paragraf 3 baru.
Apa yang paragraf 3?
Head.
Hah?
Head.
Oh. Terus
Adik, met. Was. Paragraf 4.
Paragraf 4. Oke, bagus. Paragraf 4.
apa paragraf
Ke atas.
Bentar.
Ke atas ya. Dari pada head, ada head, made. Itu paragraf terakhir tadi. Paragraf terakhir ada.
Berarti.
Ya, head, made. Yang paragraf 3-nya itu ada spend kayaknya deh. Made sama was. Ada spend itu. Ya, spend pakai T ya. Oke, bagus.
When the
Bentar salah.
Oke, ya. Bapak mau pindah ke grup sebelah ya. Jadi nanti videonya itu
Ya, Pak.
apa namanya Bapak cepetin gitu, dicepetin, cepet. Nah, pas bagian kan pertama masuk, is it group 2? Apakah ini grup 2? Terus ya silakan lanjutin diskusinya. Bapak cepetin tuh ngomongnya set gitu. Jadi seolah kita lagi diskusi. Nah, terus penutupnya. Ini kan Bapak tutup nih. Tapi nanti Bapak masuk lagi. Paham ya? Oke.
Paham, Pak.
Ya, oke. Group 2, you're good. You have done a very good discussions. Okay, I'm going to move to group 3. I'm going to control how group 3 works. Continue your discussions in learning activity 2, I guess, because you have made a very good in learning activity 1. Okay, good, nice job. Group 2, I'm going to move to group 3. Nice. Continue your discussion, Salsa, Anissa, Hidir, Rafka ya. Okay, good. Okay. Group 3, which one? Grup 3. Grup 3.
Ya,
Iya.
Pak.
Share screen mana kerjaannya, coba lihat. Share screen ya. Siapa yang share screen ini? Pakai HP. Emang bisa?
Bisa, Pak.
Mana? Belum dikerjain kan? Belum dikerjain ya? Atau yang kamu kerjain yang aktivitas ke-2-nya?
Iya, Pak. Bentar.
Aktivitas ketiganya aja. Yang ke-1-nya dihapus dulu. Maaf, yang 1 diisi udah, tapi yang ke-2-nya dikosongin. Nanti kamu
Oh,
kan tadi Bapak
iya.
udah 1 itu diskusinya apa namanya? Di kegiatan 1, grup 2 kegiatan 2. Nah, kamu yang kegiatan 3 nih.
Kegiatan 3 yang mana, Pak?
Kegiatan 2 maksudnya.
Oh, ini bentar.
Nah, itu kosongin. Tapi yang kegiatan 1 udah selesai belum? Kosongin. Nah. Udah? Oke, yang ke atas, loh, mana? Ke atas. Ke aktivitas 1. Udah selesai nih. Udah selesai ya. Oke. Nah, soalnya kamu di sini Bapak masuk nih. Oke, is it group 3? Is it group 3? Share
Yes, sir.
Oke, tetap share screen, jangan dikeluarin.
Ya, Pak.
Oke, Bapak akan tanya lagi ya. Oke, is it group 3?
Ya, Pak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, group 3, you move to task 2. That's very good. Yeah, I want to see task 1. Please move up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I want to see. Make it bigger. Okay. Yeah, that's very good. And then next. Okay, personal participant. Okay, hang on, please. Personal participant. Yeah. Okay, add. Not only I and my, but I also see other word. Do you find only I and my? Apakah hanya ketemunya saya dan I dan my saja ya yang ketemu ya. Yang lain ketemu?
Iya, Pak.
Yang lain ketemu nggak? Enggak ya?
Enggak.
Oke, yaudah cukup berarti. Oke, good, it's enough. Oke, very good. You move to task 2. Pindah ke task kedua. Oke, ya, sip. Okay, please discuss with your friend. Continue your discussion to find the best answer. Ya, from questions 1 to 5 in task 2. Silakan dicari jawaban yang paling tepat. Oke. Ya, didiskusikan kira-kira apa?
Iya, Pak.
Sambil diskusi. Jawabannya apa?
Ini.
Ya.
Yang pertama.
Itu. Nomor 1 itu berarti itu. Ayo, silakan di lead, dipimpin diskusinya.
Kayak gimana?
Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. Ini nomor 1 apa jawabannya ya? Gitu.
Ini nomor 1 jawabannya apa ya?
Ya. Oke.
Lu malah pada diem, Pak. Nggak nyaut.
Ayo, ngomong aja nggak apa. Jadi gini, dengerin. Nanti kan ini Bapak bikin videonya kan, ini kan kamu soalnya lagi ngerjain gitu ya. Soalnya lagi ngerjain. Pas bagian Bapak ngomong begini, nanti Bapak cepetin. Kalau dicepetin kan berarti suara Bapak hilangin. Jadi seolah-olah kita lagi diskusi, kamu lagi ngerjain. Ngomong aja, karena kan nggak ada yang sitting, nggak ada yang mantau kita.
Oh iya.
Ngobrol aja, nggak apa-apa, ngobrol biasa aja. Ini jawabannya apa ya gitu.
Nomor 1 apa deh jawabannya?
Nah, sambil ketik, ayo, nggak apa-apa, ngobrol aja. Nanti kan ini Bapak cepetin ini video yang ini. Nah, nanti pas penutupnya baru tuh Bapak ngomong. Oke, bagus kerjaannya, Bapak akan pindah ke grup 1 gitu. Kayak gitu aja. Ayo diketik, dikerjain, jangan dibolak-balik sono sini aja.
Saya lupa jawabannya.
Partisipan, the participant.
Yang lain ngelihat jawabannya, yang lain ngeliatin jawaban.
Participant are the writer, and his or her friend. His or her friend.
Nomor 2, what time did they verify John? John ini jam berapa datangnya ya?
Ya, jam berapa?
7.
John jam berapa?
Jam 7.
7 AM.
They arrive at 7 AM.
Gini.
Yang D-nya di depan.
D-nya di depan, they arrive-nya di depan.
Ya kan?
Iya.
Itu A-nya ditambahin T, jadi at 7 AM gitu.
Ya, benar. Kayak gitu. Pakai HP sih, harusnya pakai laptop kamu.
Laptop saya inian, Pak. Rusak.
Kalau pakai laptop
Tadi nggak ada yang mau share screen, saya tanya.
Emang nggak ada yang bawa laptop? Sabrina, Kinan nggak ada laptop?
Saya ini pakai laptop, Pak.
Oh, nggak, kamu aja yang share screen.
Emang, Pak.
Nanti kamu yang share screen di bagian presentasi ya. Kan setelah ini keluar, ya setelah ini kan keluar terus presentasi, nanti biasalah kamu lead presentasi. Ya. Bisa kan lead presentasi, bisa kan ya?
Itu nomor 3, they went to Hongdae.
Bentar.
Pakai bahasa Inggris presentasinya nanti pas ininya ya, pas ngomongnya aja. Misalnya, okay, my friend, I want to present our work. Oke, teman, saya akan mempresentasikan kerjaan saya. Gitu, nanti baru kamu baca itu semuanya. Udah gitu doang.
Oh, ya, Pak.
Gitu ya. Oke, udah selesai, Bapak mau pindah ke grup sebelah ya.
Iya, Pak.
Tutupan ini di grup ini. Oke. Ya, thank you for group 3. All of you are good. Okay, nice work. Continue your discussion, but I want to suggest you Actually, it's better for you to use laptop, yeah, not handphone, yeah, because it's easier than using handphone. Okay, but mostly you did well. Okay, good. Thank you. I'm going to move to group 1.
Oke.
Kemarin baru ulang tahun.
Recording.
Kemarin kan baru ulang.
Okay, group 1. Group 1.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, we will move to main room, yeah. We will move to main session to present your work. Okay, I'm going to close the breakout rooms. Hang on, please. Okay, close. Yeah, group 1, group 2, and group 3, have you finished?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice job. Okay, after this, it's time to have a presentation. But before you present your work, listen to me. Before presenting your work, you must send your work in Google Classroom first. Yeah. Who is the leader of group 1? Erlinda. Okay, group 2. Leader group 2. Who is the leader of group 2? Salsa. Yeah. Who is the leader of group 3? 3.
Sabrina.
Okay, Herlinda, Salsa, and Sabrina. Yeah, you must upload your work in Google Classroom. Now, I am waiting for your work, for your group. Ya, jadi hanya perwakilan saja yang mengirimkan di Google Classroom. Okay. And then after sending the work in Google Classroom, group 1, group 2, and group 3, it's time to present your work. Wait a second, I'm going to share the screen again. Yeah, I will share the screen. Hang on, please. Can you see? Can you access PowerPoint? Okay. Yeah, it's time to have a presentation. It's time to have a presentation. There are only 3 groups. Group 1, group 3, group 2, and group 3. It means that all of you must present your work, your discussions. Are you ready to present your work to your friends?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, I ask group 1 first. Group 1,
Yes, sir.
please share the screen and then lead the presentation.
Okay. Nggak bisa share screen.
Huh?
You can start screen, sir. Will the other participant is sharing?
Okay. Yeah. You couldn't share the screen ya. Okay. Dijadiin ini ya berarti apa namanya? Oh, di stop dulu.
Iya, bisa.
Oh ya. Silakan.
Okay. Done.
Ya.
Okay.
Herlinda,
Ya,
maaf itu bisa dijawab.
gedein. Oke. Bentar. Udah belum?
Handphone.
Udah.
Oke. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We are group 1. Kita akan presentasi. Okay. Oh, okay. Number 2 and number 1 answer by Abinaya. Orientation.
Orientationnya, I spent my last summer holiday in Seoul, South Korea. I went there with my friends. Itu yang orientationnya.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the next nih event 1. Event 1 itu jawabannya di paragraf 2. In paragraph 2, on the first day I always land and in Kenshin airport around 7 AM after 9 hours long flight. The next is Sandrina.
Event 2 is I spent my last day in Myeongdong and bought some stuff and souvenir for my family and friends. I also ate the street food there. I went to the airport at 3 p.m. because my flight was 5 p.m.
Next, Adit.
Reorientation. I had a fantastic experience in South Korea and made wonderful memory with my friends. It was a great trip.
Okay. For language feature, personal participant is Dias to answer.
Personal participant. Paragraph 1, I and my friend. Paragraph 2, I. Paragraph 3, I and my family. Paragraph 4, I and my friend.
Okay. Next, Abinaya.
Kronologi. Oke, yang kronologi apa ini? Kronologi.
Chronological connection.
Okay. In paragraph 2 on the first, then kemudian on next day. Dan yang past tense, spend, when, was, ticket.
Next starts to work in group. Okay. Number one is the participant are the waiter and his or her friend. Number 2, next, Sandrina.
What time did they arrive at Incheon? They arrived at 7 a.m.
Next, Adit.
Where did they go at night after taking a rest at hotel? They went to Hongdae.
Okay, next, Bias.
On the last day, where did the waiter and friends spend? They spent the last day in Myeongdong and bought some stuff and souvenirs for my family and friends.
Next, Abinaya.
How did the waiter feel about traveling into Korea? He or she fantastic experience in South Korea and made wonderful memory with my friend. It was a good trip.
Okay. We will done, sir.
Okay, yeah, you have done your presentation. Very good. Herlinda as a leader to lead the presentations for group 1. Okay, from group 2 and group 3, maybe you have any questions to group 1? Any questions for group 1?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very good, group 1, for your presentations. Give applause to group 1. Yeah, you may close your share screen, group 1.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Very good. Okay, group 1. Okay, next, group 2. Are you ready to present your work? Group 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please share the screen. Salsa Bila. Okay, Salsa, please, time is yours to lead the presentation.
Friends, here group 2 wants to present the work in our group. Orientation will be answered by Anissa.
Orientation is in paragraph 1.
Event 1 will be answered by Arifin.
On the first day, I was landed at airport around 7 a.m. after a hours-long flight. Bentar. Ini is in paragraph 2.
Event 2 will be answered by Faura.
Event 2 is in paragraph 3.
Reorientation will be answered by Rafka.
Reorientation is in paragraph 4.
For linked features, personal participant will be answered by me. I and my in paragraph 2, I and my in paragraph 1, I in paragraph 2, I and my in paragraph 3, and I and my again in paragraph 4. Chronological connection will be answered by Anissa.
Chronological connection on the first day, then and next day in paragraph 2.
And then past tense will be answered by Arifin.
Paragraph 1, spend and when. Paragraph 2, was when decided and checked. Paragraph 3, bought, spent, ate, when was. Paragraph 4, had, met, was.
8 bukan ate ya.
Ya, Pak.
Oke.
And move to the text 2. Number 1 will be answered by Faura.
Who are the participants and where did they go? The participants are the writer and his or her friends.
Number 2 will be answered by Rafka.
What time did they arrive at Incheon? They arrived at Incheon at 7 a.m.
And number 3 will be answered by me. Where did they go at night after taking a rest at hotel? They went to Hongdae. Number 4 will be answered by Anissa.
When the last day, where did the writer and friends spend? They spent the last day in Myeongdong and bought some stuff and souvenir for their family and friends.
Number 5 will be answered by Arifin.
How did the writer feel about traveling to Korea? He or she had a fantastic experience in Korea and made wonderful memory with him or he or her friend. It was a great trip.
And it's our presentation. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for group 2. From group 1 and group 3, maybe you have something to ask?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Abi nanya dong. Abi.
Tanya apa, Pak?
Nah, ini pertanyaannya ini. Nanti Pak potong yang ini ya videonya.
Pasti, Pak.
Ya, yang di bagian
Lah kok
apa tadi? Personal participant. Oke. Ya, Abi nanya ya. Oke, Bapak ulang lagi. Nanti gini, Bi, pertanyaan. Coba di bagian personal participant itu kok saya masih bingung dijelasin lagi. Itu kan kebolak-balik tuh.
Oke.
Bener ya? Jangan ke situ dulu, Salsabila ke atas dulu. Ke atas dulu. Oke. Oke, from group 1 and group 3, maybe you have something to ask?
Me, sir.
Oke, Abinaya.
From group 1.
Okay, from group 1. Okay, I give you point, Abi. Okay, what's your questions?
Personal tadi, Pak, sir.
Okay, ya. Silakan Salsa. Please, Salsa, answer the Abi's questions. Abinaya's questions.
Participant. Saya agak bingung, Pak. Itu tadi soalnya apa? Ada yang kayak saya nggak terlalu jelas gitu.
Oke, ya. Salsa?
Kan personal participannya itu kan ada I, when, gitu-gitu di konteks. Tapi di sini cuma ada I sama my. Sebenarnya ada my-nya itu ada lanjutannya kayak my family, my friends. Tapi saya persingkat jadi my doang gitu.
Oke.
Okay.
Thanks for it.
Is it enough? Cukup ya? Okay, thank you. Please close the share screen for group 2. Okay. Okay, give a plus to group 2 for the good presentation. Okay, good, nice. Yeah, the last group 3. Group 3, which is the group 3? You must not sleep. Okay, group 3. Okay, thank you. Group 3, who is the leader? Group 3.
Saya, Pak. Saya. Sabrina.
Sabrina. Okay, Sabrina, please lead the presentation, Sabrina.
Okay, Sabrina, maaf boleh di Zoom lagi nggak? Oh iya, bentar.
minusnya ke
Udah,
bawah.
udah kelihatan kan?
Di HP emang nggak kelihatan, Pak.
Ya, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my friend, here I want present our work in group 3. The orientation will be answered by Bagas.
The orientation in paragraph 1.
Even 1 will be answered by Kidir.
Event 1 is on the first day, I was landed at Incheon Airport around 7 a.m. after a 6-hour long flight. Then I went to Seoul by train and checked into the hotel I already booked.
That is it.
Sabrina
I,
mukanya agak dilihatin semua tuh kok kelihatan.
I decided to take a rest for a while. At night, I went to Hongdae, a famous district in South Korea. I want to eat traditional Korean food. On the next day, I went to the Gyeongbokgung Palace and National Museum. I also went to learn how to make kimchi and see the scenery of Seoul from Seoul Tower. I went back to the hotel at 10 p.m. and immediately went to sleep.
Even 2 will be answered by Dea.
Even 2
Langsung aja, event 2 is in paragraph 3 gitu.
Even 2 is in paragraph 3.
Nah, udah gitu nggak apa-apa. Lanjut.
And reorientation will be
Answered by
Kinan.
Reorientation is in paragraph 4.
Oke. Nah, ini kalau ini
Language feature. Personal participant will be answered by me. Paragraph 1 itu ada I sama my. Paragraph 2 ada I. Paragraf ketiga ada I, my, and my family. Paragraf keempat ada I and my friend. Chronological connection will be answered by Bagas.
Chronological connection ada 10 on the next day, on the first day.
Past tense will be answered by Kidir.
Past tense is spent, when, was, decide, book, had, and made.
Now text 2. Number 1 will be answered by Dea.
Who are the participant and where did they go? Answer: the participant are the writer and his or her friend.
Number 2 will be answered by Kinan.
Number 2. What time did they arrive at Incheon? Answer: they arrived at 7 a.m.
Number 3 will be answered by me. Where did they go at night after taking a rest at hotel? Answer: they went to Hongdae. Number 4 will be answered by Bagas.
On the last day, where did the waiter and friends spend? They spent the last day in Myeongdong and booked some stuff and souvenirs for my family and friends.
Number 5 will be answered by Kidir.
How did the writer feel about traveling to Korea? He or she had a fantastic experience in South Korea and made wonderful memory with my friends. It was a great trip.
Okay, guys, that's our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Group 3. Okay, for the last group, for the last presentations, I wanna give an opportunity for group 1 and 2. Maybe you have something to ask about the group three's presentation?
No, sir.
No, sir. Ada. Yes, sir. Me, sir. Si siapa nih? Mau jawab, mau tanya. Salsa. Pertanyaannya itu yang di nomor 1 tas kedua. Iya. Salsa nanya ya, nanti me, sir, gitu. Nah, itu kan pertanyaannya ada 2 itu. Who are the participant and where did they go? Siapa sih partisipannya? Writer sama his friend. Where did they go? Belum dijawab. Ya kan? Iya. Tanya itu nanti ya. Tanya
Jawabannya apa, Pak?
kemana mereka pergi? Masa nggak tahu?
Oh,
Kemana?
Korea.
Ke Korea ya. Nanti kalau
Korea.
oh iya saya lupa yang kedua belum dijawab gitu ya.
Korea.
Ke atasin dulu. Paling atas. Udah stop. Oke. Ya, any questions from other group 1 and group 2?
Me, sir.
Okay, you? Salsa.
Salsa.
Okay, Salsa. Please.
Aku mau nanya yang nomor 1 di tugas kedua. Itu kan ada 2 pertanyaan sebenarnya, tapi yang dijawab baru siapanya, belum kemananya. Itu
yang where
jawabannya
did,
apa?
yang where did they go ya? Mereka lagi ke Korea. Ini lagi ke Korea.
Oke,
Oke.
makasih Sabrina.
Okay.
Iya, sama-sama.
Yeah, group 3 you must add the answer of the questions of number 1.
Yes, sir.
They went to Korea.
They went, yes.
They went to Korea. Oke ya, diperbaiki ya. Oke, good. Maybe from others. Thank you, Salsa, for the questions. I give you points, Salsa. From others, do you have any questions from group 3's presentations?
I think no, sir. That's enough.
Satu lagi.
Aduh.
Yang mana tadi kayaknya Bang lihat ada yang salah deh. Ke atas nih, ke atas. Oh, udah nggak ada, cukup. Okay, there is no any questions again. Nggak ada pertanyaan lagi ya. Okay, yeah, please close the presentation, group 3. Okay, give applause to group 3. Good presentation and good work. Okay, group 3. Thank you. Okay, group 1, group 2, and group 3, all of you, have done well, have done the presentation very well. And then we move to next activity. Wait a second, I'm going to share the screen again. Okay, this is the last of part of this class. Okay, but before we have our reflections, I wanna ask you, maybe you have something wrong or you found the difficulties when discussing with your friends. Do you find any difficulties? Apakah ada masalah ketika diskusi dan presentasi?
No, sir.
For me, connections, sir.
Connections, okay, yeah, it's okay. Connection.
Gambarnya tadi nggak jelas.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, you have a problem with your connection, it's okay. Okay, now it's time to have a reflections. It is the last of the lesson today. Okay. Yeah, there are 4 questions. How do you feel after studying these materials?
Fun.
Fun? Happy? What else?
Amazing.
Amazing. Understandable, maybe? Okay. Yeah, awesome. Okay, good. What is recount text? Herlinda, what is recount text as you know in Bahasa? It's okay.
Recounted itu kayak menceritakan suatu peristiwa gitu Pak. Jadi yang kita alami kemarin atau sebelum-sebelumnya itu kita ceritakan kembali dalam suatu teks.
Okay, nice, good. Next, what are the generic structure of recount text? Sabrina.
Ya, Pak.
Yeah. What are the generic structure of recount text? There are 3 generic structure.
Generic structure. Orientation.
Okay, orientation. Second one,
Events.
event. The third one,
Orientation.
Okay, nice. Next, mention the language features of recount text. Anissa, 3 generic, 3 language features. What are they?
Past tense.
Yeah. Personal participant. Maybe.
Iya itu juga.
Okay. Maybe any others? Okay, ada yang mau coba bantu? Personal participant and then
Chronological
chronological connections. The last one?
Past tense.
Past tense. Okay, good, cool. Yeah. Yeah, you must remember the definition, the language features, and the generic structure of recount text. Okay, good. And then for taking home, I give you formative test. There is a link in Google Form. Yeah, I have shared also in Google Classroom. After this lesson or in the night, you must click the link and then do the task. There are only 5 questions. There are only 5 questions. It's about our material today. Ya. Jadi malam nanti wajib dikerjakan ya. Silakan buka di Google Form-nya, di Google Classroom-nya. Okay, and then for the next meeting, we will discuss about this material again. It's about recount text. Your work is only to find an example of recount text in a book. I don't want to ask you to copy and paste from internet, but I ask you to search from books, yeah, hard copy, then cut and upload it in Google Classroom. Do you understand me for the next meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's the preparation for our material for the next meeting. Okay, yeah, I guess that's all for today. I really like this class because you are all active and then you are all smart. Okay, for closing the learning today, it's better for us to pray. Abinaya, are you there?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm here.
please, Abinaya, lead the pray before closing the lesson today.
Okay, friend, let's close our class today. Praying. Pray starts. Finish.
Okay, thank you for Abinaya to lead the pray. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Udah nih, Pak.
Tar. Tadi kayaknya ada yang keputus nggak ya?
Iya.
Bapak ulang di bagian atas deh. Tadi tuh recordingnya keputus di bagian apa namanya? Nanti daripada ngulang lagi. Ini kan jadi rekamannya belum ketahuan loh. Rekamannya itu bisa di-download tuh setelah 1 jaman. Jadi ada prosesnya gitu lama dia.